Welcome to Tech Troop. Today we are going to discuss about books that need to be in your closet for beginners. Let's get started. Number 5, 5 Point Someone, written by Chetan Bhagath. This book has been sold more than 1 million copies. If you want to start reading, this could be the perfect book to start with. It is a book that shows us what friendship really is and what success is in terms of life. Although the writing can be quite jarring and clumsy, however, International is an effort to create a narrative of authentic speech. It is a well-constructed book with great characters and captivating plot. Number 4, 3 Mistakes of My Life, written by Chetan Bhagath. This book is a perfect blend of all emotions. This novel follows the story of 3 friends and is based in the city of Ahmedabad. This is the 3rd bestseller novel by Chetan Bhagath. This book is written in an easy way and has the quality that makes one want to read. The book follows mixture of cricket, religion, business, love and friendship. It is a must-read book. Number 3, Inner Engineering. A Yogi's Guide to Joy is a spiritual book by Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev. This book is intended to be spiritual guide with practice for personal growth and also a look at the author's own spiritual journey. This book is mainly for youngsters who want to stabilize their mind, handle their emotions properly and live a joyful life. Number 2, To Kill a Mockingbird. It is a novel by Harper Lee, published in 1960. It is widely read novel in United States. It has become a classic of modern American literature. To Kill a Mockingbird is a story that revolves around a sibling and their lives, which brings some unexpected twists and turns. While living with their only parent, it talks widely about racism and justice. With unmatched power of living wisdom about human heart, this book is one that no one should miss. Number 1, The Alchemist. It is a novel by Brazilian author Paulo Coelho. It is an inspirational story of Santiago, a youthful Spanish Spartan. The rolling hill of Andalusia story deals with an internal conflict between his love and personal dreams, but this novel ends up showing love as a supporting tool for achieving his dream. According to Coelho, dreams have a price, but not living your dreams has even a bigger price. It is highly recommended for every reader to Atlas Read It Once.